Good morning, children, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I am myself Panchana Dakshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 6 and today I'll explain the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go? It's very beautiful poem. But before explaining the poem, let me tell you a few lines about the poet of this poem, Peter John Dixon. Peter John Dixon is a former English international rugby union player. Dixon played for Oxford University RFC in 4 consecutive varsity matches from 1967 to 1970. He played for Cumberland at country level along with David Robinson and Whittler in the back row. Now I'll explain the poem. This is a very wonderful poem and it is about the thinking of a child, because a child always thinks his teachers to be very special. He never thinks them to be an ordinary people. The child wonders and questions where all the teachers go after the school hours when it is 4 o'clock. He wants to know if, like any other ordinary being, they also live in houses and wash their socks. Means they do all the routine works like other people. Because he thinks that teachers are very special. They never follow the same routine. Now, the first para is, where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Now the child wonders and questions where all the teachers go after the school hours when it is 4 o'clock. He wants to know if, like any other ordinary being, they also live in houses and wash their socks. Means do they do all the routine work like other people? Now do they wear pajama and do they watch TV? Do they pick their noses the same as you and me? The child wants to know if teachers also wear clothes like pajama and watch TV like them. Do they also clean their noses the way other people do and waste their time? Did they ever spell right? Did they ever make mistake? Were they punished in the corner if they picked the chocolate flakes? Now he wants to know if they also made mistakes or were ever punished for stealing chocolates or doing any silly or naughty work, because they think that their teachers are very special. They can never do all these things. Next is, did they ever lose their hindbows? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they ever scribble on the desktops? Did they ever wear their dirty jeans? That is, what do you mean by hind books? Hind books is what? Religious books. Now, scribbling means writing something that is not very clear. Understood? So the child's mind is also bothered to know if their teachers also ever lost their religious books and said no to the green vegetables. Did they ever waste time by scribbling on the table and wear torn and old jeans? They can never wear old jeans or torn. Did they ever lose their hindbooks? Now, the child wants to know that where their teachers go after 4 o'clock. So at last what he thinks? I will follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I'll put it in a poem that they can read to you. To overcome his curiosity, the child decides to follow or spy his teacher on the way home after school. Once he is clear about everything, he would also like to compose or write a poem about it and thinks that the teacher would read the poem to his students. So nice this poem is. Now, small children think their teachers to be very extraordinary. They think that teachers are always well dressed, teachers are always well mannered, they never do any type of mistakes because they think that their teachers are not ordinary people. You might see in your houses that if your younger brother or sister is there, if sometimes any type of mistake is committed by the teacher, what they say? They say that no mama, you are wrong. The way the teacher has written, that is only right, though it might sometimes be mistake also, but children don't consider. Clear, children? Because why they don't consider their teachers to be wrong? They think that their teachers are very special. That's all, children. Thank you. Now read this poem yourself and write in your fair notebook. You will remember these 12 lines. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.